Welcome to your personalized news report for March 12th, 2025. We are your AI hosts, bringing you the information you need.
From a variety of sources.
You can find more reports like this on our YouTube channel, PalsFundamentals,
The sources are linked below.
for further exploration.
Today we'll cover top stories from the Faroe Islands
Greenland,
and Shetland.
rounding off with the weather forecast.
Let's start with the Faroe Islands. All communication lines north of Klaksvik are down.
Oh,
This is affecting mobile, landline, and broadband.
so no one can get a hold of anyone up there.
Well, the telecommunications company Net is working to resolve the problem.
Hopefully they can get that fixed quickly.
Yes, definitely. In other news, the Faroes environmental group, Faroe Naturu Fervis,
Which is also known as FNU.
yes, the FNU opposes a proposal to lower the hydrocarbon tax for oil exploration companies.
Makes sense. I mean, they are an environmental group.
They argue that the proposal contradicts global efforts to reduce CO2 emissions and transition to green energy.
Especially given the Faroe Islands' already high per capita CO2 emissions.
Precisely. There's also a debate about the survival of the original Faroe salmon breed.
Oh, that's interesting.
Regin Jacobsen, CEO of Bakkafrost, says former Minister of Fisheries Paul Michelson's actions saved the breed from extinction.
I see.
But former parliamentary speaker Paul Reinatugvu contends that he and Hannah Jensen were instrumental in securing funding to relocate the remaining Faroe salmon stock.
So who is right?
It's a matter of debate. Now let's shift our focus to Greenland. Preliminary election results show that the Democrat Party is likely to win.
That's a big deal, right? I mean, that marks a significant shift in Greenlandic politics.
It does. The party's leader, Jens Fredrik Nielsen, is emphasizing a focus on domestic development before pursuing full independence.
Which could potentially slow down Greenland's independence movement.
That's a possibility. The Danish intelligence agency, Politiets Efterretningstjeneste, or PT, has confirmed its presence in Greenland during the election.
Why is that?
They aim to protect the democratic process from foreign influence.
I see.
Now, international media have shown a lot of interest in Greenland following Donald Trump Jr.'s visit.
And former President Trump's remarks about acquiring the territory.
Right. This has led to an increase in tourism and media coverage, but some Greenlanders are worried about being misrepresented or having sensitive issues overshadow the election.
Like what?
Like the spiral case.
Okay, moving on to Shetland. The Northlink ferry service between Shetland and Aberdeen is running with one vessel.
Yes, the Hrossey is undergoing annual maintenance.
Ah, so just routine.
Yes, but this follows recent delays caused by a flooded pump room on the Shetland,
Oh, no.
which is now under investigation. Both ferries are expected to resume full service on March 24th.
Hopefully they can get that sorted out.
Absolutely. Now, Shetland's fishing industry is seeing a shift in practices.
How so?
The newly rebuilt trawler Opportune has returned, equipped for pair trawling with a mainland-based vessel.
Okay.
This technique offers fuel efficiency,
Which is good,
but it raises safety concerns.
especially in rough weather.
Yes. And this development also highlights the trend of landing fish on the mainland rather than in Shetland.
Which could have a big impact on the local economy.
Yes, indeed. Now, the SaxaVord spaceport on Inst Island is playing a crucial role in a new European space defense network.
Interesting.
It is collaborating with German company Rocket Factory Augsburg, or RFA,
Okay.
to provide rapid vertical launch capabilities.
So this initiative comes amidst escalating geopolitical tensions.
It does.
Now for the weather.
High pressure over the Irminger Sea,
Okay.
combined with a low-pressure system over Denmark, is bringing cold air and high winds to the Faroe Islands until the weekend.
Oh, boy.
Expect moderate northerly winds, partly cloudy skies, and temperatures between 2 and 6 degrees Celsius. This evening, winds will remain moderate, shifting to north-northwest, with overcast skies and temperatures between freezing and 4 degrees.
Sounds chilly.
Thursday will see winds increasing to fresh and strong with overcast skies and snow or sleet showers. Temperatures will hover between freezing and 4 degrees Friday.
Ooh.
Friday will see moderate to fresh winds from the northwest with overcast skies and temperatures between freezing and 4 degrees later in the day. The winds will increase to fresh and strong, bringing snow or sleet showers.
Wow. So much snow and sleet.
Yes. Saturday will be windy with fresh to strong winds from the west, later shifting to the northwest.
Oh, my.
Expect overcast skies with snow or sleet showers and temperatures between 4 and 8 degrees.
So it'll warm up a bit.
A little bit.
What about Sunday?
Sunday looks a bit calmer. Sunday will start with light winds from varying directions, but later in the day, moderate to fresh winds from the southeast will bring some sunny spells and occasional showers. Temperatures will range from 4 to 8 degrees.
Okay.
Monday will see moderate to fresh winds from the south or southeast, with sunny spells, scattered showers, and possible sleet. Temperatures will remain between 4 and 8 degrees.
That concludes your news report for today.
We encourage you to dig a little deeper into any of the stories that caught your attention by exploring the links provided.
And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in.